Okay, welcome to Spun from Wood. Going to tell you today how to use a fire striker. A lot of people buy fire strikers and then say, well, how do you use it? So this is how. I'll take you through it. So firstly, the fire striker, when you buy it, it's covered in a black protective film, and so we're going to have to remove that to actually use it, and we're going to use the striker to do that. This one's already been used before, so you can see it turns a sort of shiny, slightly metallic colour. To actually use it, you need to use the flat side of the striker, and you need to angle it close to 90 degrees, not too shallow, not obtuse angle, something close to 90, and you strike it until you can get the protective cover off, and then when you do it a few times you can see the sparks flying off it. So you have to apply lots of pressure right off the end to get a good spark. Right, now how to light a fire. First thing is a bit of wind protection. Now you won't have bricks out in the woods, but you can build yourself a little sheltered area, or find a little sheltered area. Of course, if you are in the woods, be really careful that you're on a safe piece of bare soil or with rocks, so that you don't set the woods alight. I always go out with some tinder. Now if you want to cheat, you can use a little bit of cotton wool, and you can tease a cotton wool apart, let lots of air into it. Cotton wool's one option, or you can go for the real thing, and I collected some sheep's wool off a fence, and that's got lots of natural oils in it, so it's going to be a really ideal source of tinder. So you open it up and then you pop it where you're going to light the fire. I've got a little bit of bark there just underneath it. If you have got a little bit of Vaseline with you, acts as an accelerant, you can add a little bit of Vaseline onto it just to help things along. So I've got a few bits of wood I spun out from a project I was doing today, and I'll pop that on top. Now when you're actually doing this in the woods, you need to obviously have some bone dry tinder, so collect some little twigs, and then they will be the next thing that you would add onto your small embryonic fire. So this is what you need to start with: some very, very dry, very light tinder, and we're going to try and strike into the base of that now. Okay, you're nearly. It's not working yet. There we go, we have a fire which we can now feed quickly with our, well, that went out. Get it a bit more lively. There we go. So our fire is now glowing again beautifully. We would need to add sticks. I'm not going to light a massive raging bonfire here, but it's free of the rain, it works, and that's how you use one of my Spun from Wood fire sticks. Enjoy.